This video is from Success Convent, Melachevil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a book back exercise for grade 4. Subject Social Studies. Lesson number 1, page number 78. Name of the lesson is India, our country. Question number 3. What is the difference between Kanyakumari and Indira Point? Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland, whereas the Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of the country. So these are the difference between Kanyakumari and Indira Point. What? WHAT what? SIS is the 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 difference DIFFERENC difference between 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 Kanyakumari KANNIYAKUMARI Kanyakumari and and Indira 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 Point 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 question mark. Answer Kanyakumari KANNIYAKUMARI Kanyakumari is ISS the the southernmost SOUTHERN southernmost MOST most tip tip of 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 the the Indian 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 mainland MAINLAND mainland, whereas 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 the the Indira Point INDIRA Indira Point 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 in the the Andaman 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 and Nicobar 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 Highlands ISLANDS Highlands SIS is the the southernmost 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 tip tip of 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 the the country COUNTRY country. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland, whereas the Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of the country. Question number 4. Which states are known as the Seven Sisters? Which states are known as the Seven Sisters? Number 1. So these are all the states known as Seven Sisters. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are the states known as the Seven Sisters. Which? WHICH which? States states are known 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 as the the seven seven sisters 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 question mark. Answer number 1 is Assam ASSAM Assam. Number 2 Arunachal Pradesh ARUNACHAL Arunachal Pradesh PRADESH Pradesh. Number 3 Manipur MANIPUR Manipur. Number 4 Meghalaya MEGHALAYA Meghalaya. Number 5 Mizoram MIZORAM Mizoram. Number 6 Nagaland 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 and number 7 Tripura 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 or ARER the the states states known 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 as the the seven sisters SEVEN seven sisters 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 full stop. Question number 5. Which water body will you cross to reach Port Blair? So which water body will you cross to reach Port Blair? Answer Bay of Bengal Seas. Answer is Bay of Bengal Seas water bodies will cross to reach Port Blair. Which? WHICH which? Water 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 body 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 will 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 UYOU cross 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 to TO2 Reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach. Port Blair, P-O-R-T, Port Blair, B-L-A-I-R, Blair. Bay of Bengal, answer is Bay of Bengal, B-A-Y, Bay of, O-F, of Bengal, B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal. Seas, S-C-A-S, seas. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Bodies, B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. Will, W-I-L-L, will. Cross, C-R-O-S-S, cross. To, T-O-to. Reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach. The Port Blair, P-O-R-T, Port Blair, B-L-A-I-R, Blair. Bay of Bengal, seas, water bodies will cross to reach Port Blair. So today's homework, this page number 78, you have to write one time and reading 5 times. Thank you.